हेलो गाइस, नया एक वीडियो में स्वागत है। आज का चैप्टर है डाइवर्सिटी इन ए लिविंग वर्ल्ड। तो शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। सेल वॉल ऑफ ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया कंसिस्ट मोस्टली ऑफ ऑप्शन इज काइटिन्स, सेलुलोज, हेमिसेलुलोज, पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेन, टिकोइक acid and lipopolysaccharides. Option C is correct. Peptidoglycan and teichoic acid. Cell wall of gram-positive bacteria consist mostly of peptidoglycan and teichoic acid. Next question. Which of the following is rich in protein? इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. Chlorella is rich in protein. Next question. Consider the following statements about a kingdom. It includes all multicellular or many-celled organisms. Statement 2 is the body is made of network mycelium of fine threads called hyphae. Which of the following is an organism belonging to this kingdom? Amoeba, Chlamydomonas, Mycobacteria, mushroom. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. ये दो स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ है, इसके लिए मशरूम इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. म्यूकर इज ऑप्शन इज फंजाई, एल्गी, बैक्टीरिया, वायरस. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. म्यूकर इज फंजाई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Leptotrix is an example of which of the following? Option is sulfur bacteria, iron bacteria, hydrogen bacteria, nitrogen bacteria. Option B is correct. Leptotrix is an example of iron bacteria. Next question. Which of the following granules are present in cyanobacteria? इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, ये तीनों करेक्ट है. polygluten, carboxysomes, gas vacuoles. Option D is correct, all of the above. Which of the following granules are present in cyanobacteria? Polygluten, carboxysomes, gas vacuoles. All of the above is correct. Next question. Bacteriophage attacks which of the following? Option is plant cell, animal cell, bacteria, mycoplasma. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. बैक्टीरियोफाज अटैक्स व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? बैक्टीरिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Cynogamids are formed in which of the following? Funaria, Mucor, Spirogyra, Selaginella. Option B is correct, Mucor. Cynogamids are formed in which of the following? Option B is correct, Mucor. Next question. Gram staining identifies bacteria into gram positive and gram negative on the basis of cell wall, cytoplasm, granules in the cytoplasm, all of these. Option A is correct. Gram staining identifies bacteria into gram positive, gram negative on the basis of cell wall. Next question. Viruses are exclusively, option is saprophytes, parasites, all of these autotrophs. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, parasites. Viruses are exclusively parasites. Next question. Fried egg shaped colonies are formed by mycoplasma, L-form bacteria, both A and B. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, mycoplasma. Fried egg shaped colonies are formed by mycoplasma. Next question. Which of the following is true for TMB? TMB means tobacco mosaic virus. इसका जो ऑप्शन है which of the following is true for tobacco mosaic virus? Option is double stranded RNA as genetic material, It has single-stranded RNA as a genetic material. It has single-stranded DNA as a genetic material. Option D, it has an envelope around its capsid. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. It has single-stranded RNA as a genetic material. Next question. The murine found in bacterial cell is option is derivative of protein, derivative of fat, derivative of organic acid, derivative of sugars. Option D is correct, derivative of sugars. The murine found in bacterial cell is derivative of sugars. Next question. Which of the following represents obligate anaerobes? Option is Spirogyra, Pisum sativum, onion, methane bacteria. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, मीथेन बैक्टीरिया. Which of the following represents obligate anaerobes? इसका जो ऑप्शन है करेक्ट ऑप्शन है मीथेन बैक्टीरिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया हैव thick and homogeneous cell walls as much as 70% peptide molecules, either no lipids or less 10% lipids, all of the above. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया हैव ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ऑल ऑफ द अबव तीनों करेक्ट है ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which group of bacteria is known as ray fungus? Option is Mycobacteria, Mycoplasma, Actinomycetes, Myxobacteria. Option C is correct. Which group of bacteria is known as ray fungus? Actinomycetes. Next question. Which of the following is a photoautotrophic bacterium? Which of the following is a photoautotrophic bacterium? Option is Rhodospirillum, Azospirillum, Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. Which of the following is a photoautotropic bacterium? Option A is correct, Rhodospirillum. Next question. Viruses are option is possess their own metabolic system, contain either DNA or RNA. Option B is correct. Viruses are contain either DNA or RNA. Next question. Which of the following is an edible Ascomycetes? Option is morel mushroom, puffball mushroom, morel truffle, and toadstool. Option C is correct, morel and truffle. Which of the following is an edible Ascomycetes? Option C is correct, morel and truffle. Next question. Select the correct statement below for kingdom fungi. Certain fungi are natural sources of antibiotics. Option B, the fungal life cycle involves a spore stage. Option C, some fungi form suitable association with plants. All of the above. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, ऑल आर करेक्ट. Certain fungi are natural sources of antibiotics. The fungal life cycle involves a spore stage. Some fungi form suitable association with plants. All are correct. Kingdom fungi के लिए. Next question. Which polysaccharide is present in the cell wall of fungi? Option is silica, pectin, cellulose, chitin. Option D is correct, chitin. ये क्वेश्चन दोबारा गया. Question 22. Thigmoid axis is not shown by which? Paramecium, amoeba, ascaris, hydra. Option C is correct, ascaris. Thigmoid axis is not shown by ascaris. Next question. Clamp connection is found in. Option A is correct, in Basidiomycetes. Clamp connection is found in Basidiomycetes. Next question. वायरस, ये क्वेश्चन पहले भी एक बार मिला है. वायरस contain DNA or RNA? Is virus DNA or RNA? Virus contain DNA or RNA? Option B is correct. Next question. Lomesomes of fungi are related to. Option is cell enlargement, cell expansion to increase the surface area for diffusion of substances used in cell membrane formation of breakdown. All of the above. Option C is correct. Lomesomes of fungi are related to increase the surface area for diffusion of substances used in cell membrane formation or breakdown. Option C is correct. Next question. Mycoplasma do not contain cell wall. Mycoplasma do not contain cell wall. Next question. The bacteria which lacks flagella and moves by gliding are included in. Option C is correct. Myxobacteria. The bacteria which lacks flagella and moves by gliding are included in Myxobacteria. Option C is correct. Next question. Paracoccus is aerobic bacteria, anaerobic bacteria, both of the above, none of the above. Option A is correct. Paracoccus is aerobic bacteria. Paracoccus is aerobic bacteria. Option A is correct. Next question. Lifespan of crow is. Option C is correct, 15 years. Lifespan of crow is 15 years. Next question. Example of fungi imperfect is. Example of fungi imperfect is. Option A is correct. Alternaria. Alternaria. Example of fungi imperfect is Alternaria. Next question. Edible mushroom is. Edible mushroom is. Option A is correct. Pleurotus. Pleurotus. Edible mushroom is Pleurotus. Next question. Volatile whale is isolated from. Volatile whale is isolated from. Option A is correct. Betivera. Volatile whale is isolated from Betivera. Next question. Ascocarp found in. Ascocarp found in. Option is bacteria, actinomycetes, fungi, bryophytes. Option C is correct. Fungi. Ascocarp found in fungi. Option C is correct. Next question. Heterocyst helps in nitrogen fixation. Option A is correct. Heterocyst helps in nitrogen fixation. Option A is correct. Next question. Which one is obligate parasite? Which one is obligate parasite? Option is Bolbox, Rhizopas, Funaria, Puccinia. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. Puccinia. Which one is obligate parasite? Puccinia. Option D is correct. Next question. Which one of the following found both in plant and animal? Option A mitochondria. Mitochondria सेल के अंदर होता है mitochondria. Which one of the following found both in plant and animal? Option A is correct. Mitochondria. Next question. Viruses replicates on agar gel, dead tissue, living tissue only in culture media. Option C is correct. Living tissue. Next question. Characteristics of animal and plant are observed in amoeba, euglena, opelina, paramecium. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. euglena. Characteristics of animal and plant are observed in euglena. Next question. Comma shaped bacteria are known as Vibrio. Option D is correct. Vibrio. Comma shaped bacteria are known as Vibrio. Option D is correct. Next question. Which of the branch of botany deals with the study of fossilized plant of different geological periods? Option is physiology, anatomy, paleobotany, physiology. Option C is correct. Paleobotany. Which of the branch of botany deals with the study of fossilized plants of different geological periods? Option C is correct. Paleobotany. Paleobotany. Option C is correct. Next question. Which of the following is a component of bacterial flagellum? Filament, hook, basal body, all of the above. Option. Which of the following is a component of bacterial flagellum? Option D is correct. Filament, hook, basal body, all are correct. Component of bacterial flagellum. Next question. Trichoderma helps in nitrogen fixation, disease control, pollination, gene transfer. Option B is correct. Disease control. Trichoderma helps in disease control. Amoeba reproduces by binary fission. Option A is correct. Amoeba reproduces by binary fission. Next question. Uptake of DNA from environment by a bacterial cell occurs during. Uptake of DNA from environment by a bacterial cell occurs during. Option is conjugation, transduction, transfection, transformation. Option D is correct. Transformation. Uptake of DNA from environment by a bacterial cell occurs during transformation. Option D is correct. Next question. Which of the following kinds of asexual reproduction takes place in amoeba? Binary fission, budding, spore formation, vegetative propagation. Option A is correct. Binary fission. Which of the following kinds of asexual reproduction takes place in amoeba? Binary fission. Option A is correct. Next question. Which form transmembrane pores in bacterial cell? इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट एनके सेल एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी सिस्टम बोथ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Viroids or viroids have. Option is A is correct. Single stranded RNA not enclosed by protein coat. Viroids have single stranded RNA not enclosed by protein coat. Next question. If it is a saprophytic fungus commonly known as common pin mold, grows on animal dung, wet shows, rotten fruit, decaying matter, identify the fungal type. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. म्यूकोर. It is a saprophytic fungus commonly known as common pin mold, grows on animal dung, wet shoes, rotten fruit, decaying matter, identify the fungal type. Option B is correct. Mucor. Next question. Viruses of genus Nucleopolyhedrovirus are employed as गोबर गैस प्रोड्यूसर, बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल एजेंट, एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन फिक्सर, एंटीबायोटिक्स. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल एजेंट. वायरस ऑफ जेनस न्यूक्लियोपोलीहेड्रोवायरस आर एम्प्लॉयड एज ऑप्शन बी बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल एजेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सेल वॉल्स इज एब्सेंट इन. Option is nostoc, aspergillus, funaria, mycoplasma. Option D is correct. Mycoplasma. Cell walls is absent in mycoplasma. Next question. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Option is viruses lack of a protein coat. Viruses are obligate parasite, infective constituent in viruses is the protein coat? Option D, prions consist of abnormally folded proteins. Option C is incorrect. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Constituent constituent in viruses is the protein coat. Option C is incorrect. Next question. Ticoid acid is present in option D gram positive bacteria. Ticoid acid, ये क्वेश्चन पहले भी एक बार मिला है. Ticoid acid is present in gram positive bacteria. Next question. Fungi without sexual or perfect stages are classified as Phycomycetes, Dermatomycetes, Deuteromycetes, Ascomycetes. Correct option is option C, Deuteromycetes. Fungi without sexual or perfect stages are classified as Deuteromycetes. Question 59. Question is 55. Select the incorrect statements. Characteristic of certain organism. Option A is methanogens are archaeobacteria which produces methane in marshy areas. Methanogens are archaeobacteria which produces methane in marshy areas. Nostoc is a filamentous blue-green algae which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria synthesized cellulose from glucose. Mycoplasma lack a cell wall and can survive without oxygen. इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. ऑर्गेनिजम्स के लिए कीमोसिंथेटिक ऑटोट्रोपिक बैक्टीरिया सिंथेसाइज सेलुलोज फ्रॉम ग्लूकोज, यह इनकरेक्ट है ऑर्गेनिज्म के लिए. इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स फॉर ऑर्गेनिज्म. Viroids are option is infectious RNA, virus, proteins, bacteria. Correct option is option A. Viroids are infectious RNA. Next question. What are disease-causing organisms called? What are disease-causing organisms called? Pathogens. Disease-causing organisms are called pathogens. Option C is correct. Next question. How do many single-celled organisms such as amoeba, paramecium reproduce? Option is sexual reproduction, budding, sporulation, binary fission. Correct option is option D is correct. Binary fission. How do many single-celled organisms such as amoeba and paramecium reproduce? Option D is correct. Binary fission. तो ये 58 क्वेश्चन था. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.